This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Calendrich less than bedroom greater than BRE number 010139557, LIC number 015099412. New construction home in the foothills of Tuolumne County. This single-level home offers a desirable open floor plan with cathedral ceilings, mostly engineered hardwood flooring and a covered back porch. The heart of the home is the kitchen with its sleek cabinetry, stainless steel appliances and generously sized island with a breakfast bar. With an open dining area, there is ample space for a large table and dining hutch. A conventional living room offers a wood-framed propane fireplace with hookups for electronic devices above. The master suite is at the north end, complete with a walk-in closet, private porch and entertainment nook. An ensuite bathroom is timelessly styled with a soaking tub, dual lavatories and walk-in shower with dual shower heads and a bench. The guest bedrooms are opposite the master at the south wing, each with carpeting and a ceiling fan. A hall bathroom offers a tub/shower in gray and white accent tones. The laundry room is conveniently located just off the finished garage with a sink, hookups, shelving and walk-in pantry. With an acre of land, there is ample room to place a pool, lawn, or shop. The RE1 zoning allows for a guest home and some farm animals. While on public water there is a well, no pump, that would be ideal for outside watering. Some new home amenities worth mentioning: auto sensor interior lights, smart garage door opener and home sprinkler system. Enjoy the rural setting with the convenience of being under 10 minutes to downtown and just 5 minutes to major shopping centers. Take the 3D tour for a virtual experience. For more information, review the details below or contact Calendrich less than bedroom greater than BRE number 010139557, LIC number 015099412 at 209-768-4312.